Hey, I'm Sarah. This is my current situation with my garden tools. I was just sent this garden tool organizer to fix all of this up. This thing is super easy to assemble. Each one of these racks, you've got 31 holes on each shelf, and it holds 50 pounds on each row. You also get these S-hooks that are on here, and they hold on really well. So I've got an area here that I am going to fix all of this up. These little S-hooks hold your small tools like this, and then everything is all nice and organized to where you can easily come in here and grab your tools, know where they are, and they don't look like this. So these just easily slide down in here. They have adjustable feet, so if you did have an uneven surface, you can just adjust the feet to fit the surface of the ground. And this is going to declutter my little area here so much more. And I don't have to worry about it all falling over because this triangle surface is a really nice sturdy area to be able to put all of your garden tools.